How to change subtitles on Disney Plus. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change the subtitles on Disney Plus. For this, go ahead and open up any web browser and head over to disneyplus.com. Once you land on this web page, click on the login option in order to log into your account. For this, step 1 is to enter your email address. Once you enter that, click on the continue option. Next, you will have to enter the password. Go ahead and enter that and click on the login option. Now, you will have to verify your identity. For that, enter the OTP code sent in your email address. After the verification has been completed, you will be successfully logged into your account. Now, you can basically play any movie or TV show you want. Once you start playing it, you want to click on the settings option at the top right corner of your screen. Here you will find audio and subtitles options. Now you can select whichever audio you want. If you want to change the subtitles, you can simply select the language that you prefer. For example, if you want Spanish, you can click on the Spanish option. As soon as you click on that option, if you play the video again, you will find that the subtitles have been changed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.